I'm doing a motorcycle ride. In just a few days, I'm taking the Harley on a 10-day ride to Utah, through New Mexico, to Utah, to Colorado, back through New Mexico, and then into back to Texas. It's gonna be roughly about 4,000 miles. We're gonna get to see the $1 Million Highway, the Arches National Park. We're gonna see, we're gonna go to the top of Mount Evans, which is now Mount Blue Sky. Davis Mountain Pass Park, National Park thing. It's just amazing riding and roads. We have to get some park passes and make reservations. And we'll culminate all this riding into a final hoo-ha in Fredericksburg, Texas. We're gonna be there Friday or Saturday, depends on how much we can ride. We're gonna try and make it there on Friday so that we can get up and do a little Twisted Sister action Saturday. If you're watching this video and you're anywhere near the area, we're going to the Crossroads Saloon and Steakhouse in Fredericksburg Saturday night. We'll have dinner there, and then in the bar later that night, Chandler and the Bings is playing there. I've never heard this band before, but just on the name alone, I gotta see this. Who's this we, you may ask? Well, you might remember Paul from the Iron Butt Ride that I was part of. I've been in a bunch of his videos. He's actually the guy that got me into doing the videos in the first place. And now I'm a famous YouTuber, of course, right? We're gonna go to Loveland, and we're going there for Shark Week. Shark Week is actually called Road Glide National Rally. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I think that's 4th, 5th, and 6th. I'm not 100% sure on that. But we're gonna go to Loveland to attend that while actually still riding a lot. To kind of sum up the Shark Week or Road Glide National Rally, it's a bunch of people with road glides, and this is not a road glide. However, Paul has a road glide, so he wanted to go, and we're just making a trip of it. Oh, I have a special surprise later. It'll be in the videos for the ride, actually, but it's a little surprise for Shark Week, of course. Currently, I have a 2019 Street Glide Special. I also have a 2025 BMW adventure bike. And the first decision I had to make is which bike to take on this ride. This is gonna be a long ride. Some days we're doing over 500 miles. So I had to think about which one is gonna work, you know, on the long ride. The Harley has this Mustang seat. I'm taking the pad off, by the way. This puts me too high and gets me in some turbulent air. So anyway, has the Mustang seat with the backrest, has nice big forward floorboards, and this is huge. This bike has, you know, this you can rest your foot on, but it really makes you stretch out. It's not a very comfortable position. There's nowhere to mount highway pegs. They would have to be somewhere around here. And you got this in the way. The seat, while it is comfortable, it's not made for 500-mile days or, you know, riding many days in a row. Now, if you own a GSA or a GS, I'm sure you have different experience than me. I'm just talking about my experience and my ass. It's not gonna do it on the GSA. So anyway, we're gonna do it on the Harley. You can see the Harley's nice and clean. However, it's 82,175 miles. It's a lot of miles, but as you might have seen in one of my last videos, I put a bore scope down the cylinder, and I mean, it looks great in there. A little carbon, but hell, it's an air-cooled motor at 82,000 miles. There should be carbon in it. If you guys are interested, subscribe. Come along for the journey. See how this 82,000 mile bike does on a ride. I think we'll be okay, except for I need a front tire. So I've got 5 days, need a new tire, everything else is done. Just a little bit about the bike. An 82,000 mile Street Glide Specialist, 2019 model. I have upgraded the front suspension. Right here we have installed, you can't see it, but it's the progressive monotube suspension in it. I have an upgraded air cleaner. This is the K&N open air cleaner, all the back plastics missing. I have done a Woods WM8 22XE cam, fuel moto, tune. There they are. Got the Legend Revo A rear shocks. Those are very comfortable. I've got them turned down to 1, the softest setting you can get. Cobra Race Pro exhaust on it. We have stickers and Cicada 6x9s with the Rockford Falls gates, 6.5s, and it has a 800 watt Rockford Falls gate amp. And the stereo sounds really great, but as you might have seen in some other videos, I use earplugs. So I probably could have saved all the thousands of dollars in stereos by just not doing it. But hey, it's there, and I want to sit in a parking lot and make a lot of noise. We got it. So that's the bike, 82,000+ miles, upgraded windshield, camera mounts, phone mount. Oh yeah, I also got a Captain Itch crotch cooler. This helps deflect some of the heat off the motor, keep it off my legs. That's really cool. I really like that. I get a lot of comments on that. And of course, hot to spit on that thing. Shift linkage. Texas Motorcycle Rider, April 2021, Iron Butt Challenge derby cover. So that's the bike. A Mustang seat, backrest, and then of course tour pack. Oh, and by the way, I did a video on this. I can tell you, they're holding up really good. My big bottle holder. Gotta have a big bottle holder. We're gonna be going through a lot of liquids. We have some videos coming out. We're leaving Friday, July 31st, and we'll be gone until August 9th. Sunday, we'll be back. But again, Saturday night, Fredericksburg. Come on down and have a beer with us. We will be drinking a beer. It's gonna be our, celebrating that we all made it. It's gonna be an epic ride, man. So come along. Peace.